What's up, guys? It's been a while. It has. Um, Nice to see you guys. See, still got my Subaru, still got La Bay, still got the Civic, which I'm actually selling. Uh, I want to keep it, but yeah, this one's more fun. This is the La Bay, lay beautiful hood scoop bay. So gorgeous. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Alright. Although I need to get some new stickers up there. These ones are fine. These ones I just put on today. But yeah, what's up, guys? So I know it's been a while. I've gotten a little busy with a lot of things and haven't really had some time. So I'm sorry. But it's summertime. Alright, well, it's not so beautiful here in Colorado, but it is summertime. It's time to get this started. Today, I'm just doing something extremely simple and stupid, but if you look, this headlight is, I mean, it's got its fair kind of wear and tear, but it's beautiful. While this one is just, well, I really don't need to do much, like just them side by side, you can see what I mean. This one's just disgusting yellow. So today, what I do want to be doing is I'm going to be using this Headlight Restoration kit. Hopefully in cases of it'll work. Yeah, gonna be doing that, but I'm gonna have parts coming in soon that I will be installing. Can't wait. For now, this is all it's done to, which it came when I got the car, which saddens me a little bit. Saddens me, but it's okay. The wheels just dirty. Just can't wait. I really should clean up the engine bay a little bit. Spray her down, you know what I mean? Still got that beautiful front mount, which is dirty. Again, switch that out. I did recently do tint on these fog lights because, well, they're fog lights. It only makes sense, and it makes the car look oh so pretty. So, doing that. I'm gonna get little yellow bulbs for it, so it looks better. Because right now it looks awesome, I guess. See if I can get them to turn on. I'm assuming it just doesn't work. Unless the key's in. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. It's upsetting. Hi, neighbor. Don't look at me. There you go. Working. But as you can see what I mean? They look kind of yellowish, kind of nice, beautiful, kind of yellow. I do want them to be more yellow, but I mean, okay, see that, like, clear. So about 20 minutes later, it looks cool. Look at that. I did like the top of that one just a little bit, just because it was getting a little bit there, but see, it looks nice. Other side. Oh, it's not yellow. Oh, it feels so good. Even taillights or headlights. I'm a retard. Headlights! I didn't really need to do anything else. I mean, the car's a little dirty, but whatever. Back's looking gorgeous. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. It's my baby. It's the baby of my baby. So I think the kit worked. Mothers, thank you very much, because the mom knows best. That should be a perfect slogan for them. It really should be. Guys, for real though, subscribe to me. You can follow this build. Maybe follow this build. Maybe not, just because it's a lot. I'd have to maybe swap it, just maybe. But yeah, guys, come on, subscribe, share this, like it, comment if you want to see something, if you recommend anything. Like I said, this summer, this car is going to change into something amazing. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like, share, comment. This is your boy John. Peace. 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 Say bye bye. Say bye.